Whoa. All right, does not look like there's any trades going down in the chats. Let's go ahead and get started here. Let me just check very quickly before we get started here. All right, y'all. Before we get started here, 3 teams left in Bowman. Hobby, 12 box case number 23. 3 teams left. D-back still available as well. Heavily discounted. Go check those last 3 teams out. Last 3 teams. All right, here we go. Go fill up that Bowman. PYT 23. 3 teams left. D-back still available as well. All right. I'm going to do those first boxes of Bowman Jumbo, and I'll jump right into the Dynasty. All right, drew for teams. No trades in the chat. Here we go. Let's go. There for right now. Start with the Bowman Jumbo. Here we go. Box 1. Good luck. I see 9 people in the room right now. Good luck, y'all. Here we go. 9 people on Mojobreak Media at least. I'm also keeping an eye on the chat on Mojobreak Baseball. If anybody's on the Mojobreak Baseball. Here we go. Looking for 3 autos. Yellow paper right off the bat is going to be a Tristan Casas Boston Red Sox spot. That is out of 75, by the way. That Tristan Casas yellow paper Red Sox spot. Modern prospects. All right, no autos yet. Bowman Scouts top 100. Auto. First one, Jorge Ruiz. Los Angeles Angels spot. Getting a Jorge Ruiz base. Angel spots. Hal Battery, congratulations. First auto of the break. Whoa. Sights on September. Whoa. Auto. Juan Alonso, the other LA team, the Dodgers. True Blue out of 150. Team color match Dodgers. That is going to be going to Dodgers spots. Greg Jr., congratulations. Juan Alonso out of 150. True Blue. Still looking for one more auto. Here we go. Rookie of the Year favorites, Gunnar Henderson, Modern Prospects, Simon 1. Sights on September, Colton Cowser. All right. Still looking for one more auto. Here we go. Spotlight, Tamar Johnson, Pirates. Modern Prospects. Green Refractor coming up. Lisandro Rodriguez, Royal Spot. And a blue shimmer, Cole Young, Seattle Mariners. Third auto of this box. Here we go. Brock Jones, Tampa Bay Rays. Getting the Brock Jones shimmer out of 299. Tampa Bay Rays, Hoffboy. Congratulations. All right, and that is the third auto of this box. Brock Jones. All right. Sights on September, George Valera. Modern Prospects, Samuel Munoz, the Kid. Whoa. Spotlight. Is that Lazaro Montes, I mean? Mariners. Not Lisandro Rodriguez. All paper. Atomic Garrett Mitchell out of 150 for the Brew Crew. Rookie of the Year favorites. Got a pink paper Luis Rodriguez out of 175, Cardinal spot. Coming up, a Shimmer Aqua out of 125, Jorge Burgos for the Guardian spot. Shimmer Aqua. Or Aqua Shimmer. Whichever way you prefer. Modern Prospects, Jordan Lawler. Cam Collier, Bowman Chrome. All right, that's going to end box one. All three autos. Here we go. Yeah, I got to save that super high end for the end. So I'm going to do those two back to back. Yeah, I think that's what I should do. All right. Do those two high ends back to back. Get right into this Bowman Jumbo. Second Bowman Jumbo of the break. By the way, if you guys are just joining us or are interested, 3 teams left in Bowman Hobby. Last time I looked, the D-backs were still available as well. Last 3 teams were available before we started this. Top link, or is actually at the bottom, the most recent link in the chat. Go check it out if you guys are interested in Bowman Hobby full caser. It'll be the last break of the night for myself, actually. Go check that out. Link in the chat. Whoa. Whoa. All right, here we go. Here we go. 3 autos a box. Purple paper, Matthew Liberator, Cardinal spot. That is out of 199. All right, no auto yet. Rookie of the Year favorites, Francisco Alvarez. Jacob Berry sighting. There's a single Berry. Can we get a double Berry? Auto, Jorge Burgos, Guardian spot. First auto of this second jumbo. True blue out of 150. Guardian spot. Big Hawk, Smokey. Congratulations on the Jorge Burgos. True blue out of 150. Whoa. Also got another blue coming up, it looks like. Should be out of 150 as well. Jason Chudio to go with the auto. Guardians out of 150. Guardians hot right now. All right, second auto. Oh, here we go. That's Reds or D-backs colors? Let's see. D-backs, Drew Jones. Here we go. Here we go. What color? What color? Boom! Drew Jones out of 499. Diamondbacks. Let's go, D-backs. We got one. D-backs getting a Drew Jones refractor out of 499. We got him. Let's go, baby. D-backs. That is Jesse S. Congratulations in the random. By the way, D-backs still available. Last time I looked in that hobby case. Go check that out. 3 teams left last time I looked. Drew Jones. You know what? I haven't displayed one today. I'm going to see if I can get that stand. All right. Let's get for the time being, let's get this Drew Jones right here. Actually, I'll put it right over here. It's the guy most people are chasing, at least. Here we go. All right. Is that 2? Yeah, it's 2 autos, so looking for one more, I believe. Anybody in the chat, wake up, wake up. Let's get hyped. Got a Drew Jones in a random. We always get him in a random, it feels like. Those random teams. Or out of hobby. Jumbos be hitting too. Jumbos hit as well. Auto, Jose De Paula. Base. Sitting exactly where that refractor, superfractor, one of them was pulled, by the way. Go check out Greg's video if you guys didn't see that on Mojobreak Media of the Jose De Paula superfractor. Sure, most of you have seen it though. Jose De Paula base. Dodger spots. Greg Jr. Congratulations. Here we go. Spotlights. Oswald Roderick Arias, Yankee spot. Drew Jones, Modern Prospects, 5-star potential. 5-tool potential, I mean. Green refractor. Hao-Yu Lee, Phillies. Paper auto. Brandon Walter for the Red Sox. Base Brandon Walter. Red Sox spot. Boston Red Sox. Who's that? TKO. Congratulations. All right, that is all 3 autos as well. Paper. Sights on September. Henry Davis. Modern Prospects. Dean Jorge. Spotlight. Michael Harris II. Brave spot. Modern Prospects. Brady House. Whoa. Whoa. Rookie to your favorites. Pink paper, Dylan O'Ray, Brew Crew out of 175. Modern Prospects. All right, and that is going to close out the Jumbos. All right. Here we go, y'all. High-end baseball, Topps Dynasty. The main event. The main event. Here we go. Here we go, y'all. Here we go, y'all. So what's the scenario? All right. Oh man, we got a redemption for real. We got a redemption. Who is it gonna be? Dynasty autograph card. Buster Posey, San Francisco Giants spot, getting the Buster Posey redemption. We got one. David G. David Gerst getting the Buster Posey redemption auto. Dynasty autograph patch card. All right. So unfortunately, you can't see what that looks like, but we'll get that redemption to you. All right. There is box one. Here we go. Here we go. Last box of the break. I bet you that Giants patch is going to look sick, by the way. That Buster Posey. One of the greatest Giants. Let's get some live. Let's get a live auto here, though. Live auto. Here we go. Here we go. Albert Pujols, 700, Mr. 700. Albert Pujols, 2 out of 10. Going to the Anaheim, Los Angeles Angels. Hal Battery getting the Big Al, Albert Pujols patch auto. Is that a double auto of him, by the way? Because it looks like he signed the patch. Does look like a double auto. Dynastic Deed, still plenty of power indeed, and he ended up getting a 700. Congrats. All right, y'all, that was a break. Congratulations to all the hitters. That was a break. That was 2022-23 Dynasty and Bowman 4-box mixer. That was random team number 1. Congrats to all the hitters again. All right, y'all. Let me, last break of the night, let me see how many spots we got left. Bowman Hobby Case 23. 2 teams left. Diamondbacks, Braves. 2 teams left. All right, 2 teams left. Let me get the calendar up here. So what's the scenario? Here we go, y'all. Where'd I put that pen at? right. Let me go ahead and actually take a picture of this. All right, here is the updated schedule. 2 teams left. 2 teams left in Bowman Hobby case number 23. Go check out those last 2 teams. Let me get the Diamondbacks, Braves. Last 2 teams, Diamondbacks and Braves.